This is a quick video to walk you through the process of adding a document in WebXtender with a new version of WebXtender. So you can access WebXtender by the same method that you used to, which is through a direct link through the portal, or maybe a favorite that you have saved, or using the add and retrieve buttons directly in Banner. We'll be going over the add process. So I'm going to click the add button. WebXtender will open in a new tab. Previously, you would have gotten the add files pop-up, which is I will go over that process in a few minutes, but I wanted to show you the drag and drop process first. So it will open up WebXtender. On the left-hand side of the screen, there'll be this gray blank space, and on the right-hand side of the screen, this will look familiar. It's the same as it used to be. It'll pull in the information. You would just verify that before clicking save. But to add a document, what you would do is if you only have one screen, you can just minimize your WebXtender window and then open up your file explorer. So if you locate the document on your computer that you want to upload, and then all you have to do is just simply drag the document over to this gray space and it will upload it for you. And the great thing about the new WebXtender version is that you can actually drag multiple pages to add to the same document, so you no longer have to create the PDF version first. You can go ahead and do that on the fly while you're adding it. You will get this message as you add a second page that will just say, do you want to add a new page to the batch? Just click OK. If you don't want to see this message in the future, just check this box. So that is uploading page 2, and now we're going to upload page 3. And again, you'll get that message if you did not click that skip next time option. And you'll notice that it uploaded the documents in whatever order that I brought them in. So right now I'm on page 3 of 3, which is the last one that I uploaded. You can see, you can page through them just like you previously would. The annotations process is still the same. So if you wanted to add text, you would just go ahead and do that the same way that you did before. Click OK. You'll notice it shows up. Just always when you add an annotation, make sure that you hit save after. And that is the drag and drop method of adding a document. Next, I will show you the process of adding a document in the way that you used to do it in the previous version. There's only one small change. So you would, again, click the add button, but instead of that pop-up happening here, it will bring you to WebXtender, and you just have to locate the page option here and then click on this icon that says add page, and then you'll get this add new page with the file explorer. You would just do choose files, and then the file explorer will open. You locate the document that you want to add and just click save. Just double click on it and then you would upload it. So that is very much like the old process. The only thing is that you just have to click add and then go to this add new page option. And that is just the new way to do that. Thank you. The next new feature that I wanted to show you is if you have uploaded a document and it is rotated the wrong way, there's now an easy way to change that. So I am going to just retrieve a document that I know is the wrong way. So you'll notice here that this is rotated the wrong way. So what you can do is go to this page option right here, and this will open up a menu. And then you will go to rotate and save and just pick whichever option would get it to the orientation that you would like. And you'll notice that it takes just a second to reorient it. And that's all you have to do. It actually saves it for you, so you do not have to hit save after doing that. And you'll notice if I close WebXtender and then do retrieve, the document is now in the right direction. So that is rotating and saving a document that was put in at the wrong orientation. So again, that's under the page option, rotate and save. Another new feature that we wanted to highlight is just that they've made the icons in WebXtender just a little bit easier to locate. So if I access WebXtender again by clicking retrieve, or if you're already in WebXtender, to get to those new documents, you can just click on this. This will bring you to the home page, and you can click on any one of the applications that you have access to. Mine are, I have more than you probably do. So if I'm in BF Docs right now, and you'll notice that the icons that used to be located under this plus button, they've now moved to the middle of the screen, to the top of the screen, and just made them a little bit larger so it's easier to access. So this is where you would go to manage batches. And if you wanted to add a new batch, you would just click on this. And again, this would be the same process it was before. They've just made the icons a little bit more noticeable. This is how you would add a new document. And then this is how you would do a query. So you can click that new query. Here you can enter an I number or a vendor number. So if I wanted to search for an invoice, you would just type that in the box and then just click run. And it will pull up that document if it's in there. So that is just what I wanted to point out there. Again, if you go back to the home screen, you can do that by clicking on this left-hand side or any of these applications. The other thing that they've done is you can actually, if you go to this magnifying glass, you can go to the last document that you viewed very quickly by just clicking on that. And you can go back to the query screen by just clicking in that breadcrumb trail, and you can click on the other icons to see they've just moved some things around. So a new query, and again, these are just the new document, new batch, and manage batches icons, which are also located here. This concludes this video, just highlighting a couple of new features in the new WebXtender version. Thank you.